Siamang defend their territory with a singing ritual that starts at about 9 am each day and lasts for an hour. Conservation status. With an estimated population of 22,390 and a 50% decline over 50 years, Siamang is now classified as endangered. Distribution. Siamang are primarily distributed in the forests of Sumatra and the Malay Peninsula. They inhabit tropical rainforests and prefer dense, primary forests, but they can also be found in secondary forests and areas with some degree of human disturbance. Taxonomy. Class, mammals. Order, primates. Family, Hylobatidae. Genus, Symphalangus. Uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom at biodb.com. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe.